Come closer. Let's make something soft, warm, and coconutty. Today, we are taking puff puff to a whole new level with coconut. Hi, beautiful people. The food hub here. This recipe is called coconut puff puff. First, into a mixing bowl, add your flour, yeast, sugar, salt, and give that a gentle stir. Do let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Next, pour in your coconut milk and mix until incorporated. You are to mix until you get a smooth, stretchy batter. Not too thick, not too runny, just perfect. Once you're done, cover it and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. Here's the result after 15 minutes. I thought my phone was recording, so I didn't capture where I was scooping the batter into the oil. I'm so sorry about that. You are to fry this for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat, crispy on the inside, soft and fluffy on the outside. And that coconut aroma, absolutely irresistible. Stir occasionally. Once they are done, drain them and sprinkle with a little coconut sugar or enjoy them just as they are. And there you have it, coconut puff puff, simple, delicious, and impossible to resist. Try this recipe and thank me later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Bye!